Hello friends, this is the third video for the month of July and I will be covering the remaining question in this video. So kindly make notes, okay? Have pen and paper and notebook in your copy and make notes of these questions because they may ask in the examination. So starting from the question 1, which of which place been the first WHO listed 3 clinical trials on COVID-19 vaccine? So the name of the place is Abu Dhabi and WHO, World Health Organization. The headquarter is in Geneva and the Director General is Tedros Adhanom. Which helicopter to fly on Mars? So the name of the helicopter is Inquity. Inquity. According to the chairman of the railway board, all northeast state capital connected by railway line by which year? So the year is 2023. The option is not given. There is a misprint in the option. It will be 2023 and till 2023 all the capital, northeast capital will be have connected and the news has been shared by the chairman of the railway board. And who is he? He is the uh, uh, VK Yadav. Mr. Vinod Kumar Yadav is the current chairman of the railway board and the minister who is responsible for the railway ministry is Mr. Piyush Goyal. And uh, in most of the answer regarding the year, the answer possibility is 2023. Okay. Indian Navy conducted drill on which island in which warship destroyers frigates take part in it? So they conducted in the Anmar and Nicobar Island. It is a group of islands, more than 300 islands, and the capital for Anmar and Nicobar is Port Blair. Okay. Also, the governor, as Andaman and Nicobar is the union territory, so the governor of the Andaman and Nicobar is Devendra Joshi. Devendra Joshi. Which country wind farm first to grow sea beads between wind turbine? So the name of the country is Belgium. And what is the capital of Belgium? Is Brussels. Okay. So Belgium and Brussels and Brazil. The capital of it is Brasilia. Croatia. His capital is Zagreb. Zagreb. Argentina. Uh, all person knows that the capital is Buenos Aires. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change inform zonal master plan of which zone approval by the government. So it's the Alaknanda Eco Sensitive Zone. Who got the Jagjeevan Ram Innovation Farmers Award instituted by ICAR? So this is the name of the award and the winner is T. Purushottam. T. Purushottam. And who was Jagjeevan Ram? He was the youngest minister in the first cabinet. Okay, the first cabinet having the cabinet system in acting Nehru as the prime minister. Okay, and there were only 14 ministers, and he was having the charge in the first cabinet as the cabinet minister. Okay, so he was the youngest minister in the first cabinet. Which country Roman Catholic shrine organized first electro e-pilgrimage due to COVID-19 is France. What first network operating system was developed by Apple? Hunting is a part of which state? Shared Tukpen community. So it's a part of which state? It's a part of Arunachal Pradesh. And which type of hunting is honey hunting? The first country to complete clinical trial on COVID-19 vaccine on human. So the name of the country is Russia. Name the portal launched by Ministry of Skill Development and Enterprises. So the name of the portal is Asim, and what it is about, it is for the skilled people for livelihood. So the skilled people who have skills, they can earn livelihood by this portal. World largest COVID care center was inaugurated at which place? It was inaugurated at Delhi. Boeing landed two AH-64E Apache helicopter to IAF. Boeing Aerospace is of which country? So it is of USA. So Boeing and USA. So remember the name of the country and the name of the company. Niti Aayog developed app for development module. Name of the app is what? So the name of the app which is developed by the Niti Aayog is ATL app. Okay, and it is for the school children. So the name is important, and what it is about. It is for the school children, and the chairman of the Niti Aayog is Prime Minister. Okay, and the vice chairman of the Niti Aayog is Rajiv Kumar, and the CEO of Niti Aayog. So remember the three-person who are head of Niti Aayog, which act as a think tank. So the CEO is Amitabh Kant. So Prime Minister, Chairman, Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar, and CEO is Amitabh Kant of Niti Aayog. Andrzej Duda won 5-year president in power of which country? So he belongs to which country? He belongs to Poland. Malala Day is celebrated on, remember the Malala Yousafzai? She won the Nobel Prize. Okay, along with Kailash Satyarthi, he was an Indian. And the day is celebrated as a Malala Day on 12th of July. Chhattisgarh government which Yojana awarded as Light Excellence Award 2020? So the name of the Yojana is Suraji Gaon Yojana. Which Indian American to win Republican Senate seat from US state? So the Indian American is Rick Mehta. Rick Mehta. Which Indian company in the world largest steel vacuum chamber? So it's Larsen and Toubro, LNC, and the chairman of Larsen and Toubro is Anil Naik. Anil Naik is the current chairman, and the headquarter of Larsen and Toubro, write in the comment section. The BHEL, okay, he is presided by the MD and CEO, and the MD and CEO of BHEL is Nalin Singhal. Nalin Singhal. SAIL. The chairman and MD is Anil Kumar Chaudhary. Mr. Anil Kumar Chaudhary. And that's it. UNICEF and FICCI announced partnership to develop campaign. The name of the campaign is what? So the campaign is Reimagine campaign. Okay, Reimagine campaign, and what is about? It was to support children in COVID-19. So COVID-19 is the pandemic, and to support the children, this campaign has been launched by UNICEF along with the collaboration of FICCI. UNICEF, the headquarters is in New York, and the Director General is Henrietta Fore. Henrietta Fore. And FICCI, the president of FICCI is Sangeeta Reddy. Okay. Visa global leader in payment technology enter which bank? So the name of the bank is Federal Bank. Which country built an nuclear power program and sent a man to space but now joined Elite Club by sending probe to Mars? So you have to tell the name of the country, and it's UAE. Which state organized India's first Lok Adalat in 2020? So the name of the state is Chhattisgarh. Okay, and it is due to the COVID-19 that the first online Lok Adalat was organized by this state. Who is appointed as the director of National Institute for Food and Agriculture? So it's an important question, and Dr. Paras Chitnis is the new director, And who is he? He is the Indian American scientist. Okay. Which PSU has won the prestigious CII ITC award? The name of the PSU is National Thermal Power Corporation, NTPC, and it was for the outstanding in corporate excellence category. Thus, this PSU has won it. And the chairman of NTPC is chairman and managing director is Gurdeep Singh. Okay. And ONGC, Oil and Natural Gases Corporation. Shashi Shankar is the managing director and CEO. Shashi Shankar, Gurdeep Singh. Okay. HPCL, who is he? Write in the comment section. GAIL. Okay. And it is presided by the managing director and CEO named Manoj Jain. Okay. RCO Raponda was appointed as the first woman prime minister of which country? Okay. So first woman prime minister of Gabon. And the capital of Gabon is Libreville. Libreville. Nelson Mandela Day celebrated on which day? So it is celebrated on 18th of July. Remember 12th of July we celebrate the Malala Day. Which railway zone backwater hero award from Ministry of Jal Shakti? So we have 18 zones managed by the Indian Railways in India, and which zone we are referring to here is the South Central Railway Zone, and the headquarter of it is in Kachegudda. Okay. First female head of the HCL. The first female head of HCL, it's the Noida based headquarter. Headquarter is in Noida, and the first female is Roshni Mehrotra. Option C. World first digital nomad visa launched by which country? So it has been launched by Estonia. According to the World Intellectual Property Indicator 2019, which country topped the 10 nations in the ranking? So the name of the country is India. Most of the answer like these questions, the answer is same, India. Which ministry launched the 5th edition of the conference on aerospace and defense technology? So the name of the ministry is by Shripad. Minister is by Shripad Yesho Naik, and he is the Ayush Minister. And it has been launched in Delhi. Okay. From which IIT used and innovate method to produce biofuel from non-edible seeds? So it is by the IIT Delhi. Rank of the India at most suitable locations for global manufacturing. The rank we have spotted is the third position, third in terms of cost competition. Okay. Which Indian shipyard got contract to build the world's first fully automated electric vessel for ESCO? So the name of the shipyard is what? So it is Kochi Shipyard. Okay. Which is the Indian first numberless card? So it is FAM card. Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the Economic Corridor project in which state? He inaugurated it in the state of Haryana. IIT Kanpur developed UV sanitizing device to make room COVID free. So this device will eliminate the virus of COVID, and the name of the device is Shuddh. Shuddh means clean. Okay. India first cable stayed railway bridge is inaugurated in which state? It is inaugurated in Jammu Kashmir, and it was under which project? It was under the Anji Khad Bridge project, and in which two cities it connect the Katra city to Rezi to Katra in Jammu Kashmir. Which state police drawing civilians as dominant expert in IT, digital, legal, forensic and finance? So the name of the police is Punjab Police. World Youth Skill Day is celebrated on which day? So write the answer of it in the comment section The options are given below. India new route to Bhutan through which Indian state? So it is by the state of West Bengal. Okay. And from which city? It's from Jaigan. Jaigan from West Bengal. It connects to Paraskha in Bhutan. Paraskha in Bhutan. Human Resource Development Minister released guidelines on education, digital education through online medium in Delhi called what? Pragyata. Pragyata. It's the digital online education system. Coal Ministry plans to link mining portal with which website? So they have planned to link it with which website? Is Parivesh. Parivesh. And Chandrasekharan and Lockheed Martin will receive which award? So which award will be given to both of them? It is USIBC, okay, Global Leadership Award. Engineering students made was first 100% eco car on bamboo. It is from which city? It's Trivandrum, also known as Trivantripuram. The new name is Trivandrum. Who is named as the recipient of the 2020 GON Karma Award for Internet Academy of? Okay, so the name of the winner is Dr. K. Sivan. He is the ISRO chief, and the ISRO headquarters is in Bangalore, and Bangalore is also known as the Space City. Iran recently dropped India from which railway project? So they recently dropped India from Chabahar railway project. Remember the Chabahar railway project? Uh, 1 year back we are with this project. HSBC got principal approval to set IBU at Gift City. HSBC is located in which country? So it is located in London, and the bank is of 1991. Remember the date also. And Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation, the full form of it, this abbreviation. Which country assault rifle Arad Camel set manufacture in India? So it is of Israel, Israelites. Which country prime minister stepped down is fact due to the political crisis of coronavirus pandemic? So, so you can imagine the destruction which has been caused by this disease, and the name of the prime minister is Ilis Fact, and he belongs to which country? He belongs to Tunisia. He was Tunisian prime minister. View it, okay. It was dubbed in Hindi so that the Hindi viewers can view it. And the director of this movie was Boyapati Srinu. Okay, Boyapati Srinu. First space mission towards from which country? List NetPack the launch of probe. The name of the space mission is Hope. Okay, and it is from the Emirates Mars mission. Okay, and the operator of this Hope is Mohammed bin Rashid Space Station. Which comet recently caught attention of the strangers? So the name of the comet is Neowise. Neowise. And remember the Helicam comet? It was seen in the 75 or 76 year, and the best thing is that it can be seen with the naked eyes. Okay, and it is expected to be seen in the year 2061. The 9P Brole, it is also a comet, and it is named after Alfonso Brosen. Okay, and Halley comet is named after Edmund Halley. Edmund Halley. And why I was telling you about this comet, because it can be seen. Okay, it is expected to see on 1st of Feb 2022. So we are near about to see this comet, but it cannot be seen with the naked eyes. But the Halley comet can be seen with the naked eyes. First Indian to receive British Society of History of Science. Okay, so who is he? He is Dr. Srinji Das. first Arab space mission to Mars blasted a rocket from which country? So they have blasted a rocket from Japan. Poba Reserve Forest. Poba Reserve Forest in Dhemji district upgrade to wildlife sanctuary location is in which state? So it's the district of which state? It's the district of Assam. Okay. Ashish Kumar conferred with Lifetime Achievement Award by Iconic City Iconic by whom? He is Mohan Bagan and it is Kolkata based. Okay. Kolkata based and the president is Swapan Bose. Swapan Bose is the president. First Indian film 300 million views on the YouTube. So the name of the film is